This is the video for the data option for the Spot a Word game. I'm going to click on data in the red stripe. Here we see it shows the global registers, the main registers, and then it has the sub-registers and local registers for subprogram 1. Next, the variables. Here it says game number is 0, was game number is 0, task is 1, show sorted is 1, and show answer word is 1. That means it's going to do those two things because they're toggle switches. Next, it says the length of a word, that's the 5-letter words, is 47.6667 pixels. We use that to determine where to put the white box for the find word. Then show X and Y is the XY position for where it puts the white box. Next, we're going to go to word lists. I'm going to click on word lists. They can't be shown on this screen because they're so big. First, we'll see the sort indexes. When we got the sort done, it didn't give us a list of the words sorted, but said here that the 199th word comes first, then the 98th word, the 75th word, and so forth, all the way to the end, and the last word would be the 81st one if the words were sorted. That's how it does a sort. It doesn't physically move them around, it just tells you the order in which they should be presented. That's the sort index. The other list it has is for used words. When it was picking the 200 words to use, it set the index for the word to a 1. And here you'll see there's some 1s in here for the words that were used. Now we're going to go to work pages. First, there's one called the mixed words. That's the ones, the 200 words that are in the box on the left. Notice there's no space between them. Then there's the find word group. That's the one that it picked for you to find. Here's the test word. That's the word that was clicked on. And then there's the sorted words. Here they are when they were put in the list as they were sorted. Like this is the 199th one, and the last one was the 81st one. But here they are in sorted order. And they're spaced one apart. Now we're going to go all the way over here to App Pages to page A. Here in page A, first we see the number 777, that's a gray color. That's the color here of Spot a Word. And right after that comes Spot a Word. This is how you put a heading up here by putting a color and the text. Here's the text it has for game number, the text for show sorted word list, and the other text for show answer word. We'll return. One other thing we want to look at is down here, the click areas. I'm going to click on that. It says the first clickable area it has is this area here where the game number is placed. The second one is the mixed words of 200. Notice that it's just one click number 2. But then a match statement is used to find out exactly which of the 200 was clicked. Here is number 3. Show the sorted list. Number 4, if you click there, it'll show you the answer. And the last one, click number 7, is for going to the YouTubes. I'll say right now that there's hundreds of possible click numbers, but we are just using a minimum number on this program. Alright, this is the end of the video for the data option of Spot a Word.